Okay, we're given a point that's on the unit circle. This point P is at 21/29, comma, negative 20/29. So we're asked to find all 6 trigonometric ratios to go along with this. It really isn't that bad of a problem. Just remember, first of all, that it goes cosine is the x value here, comma, sine is the y value. All right, so we can start filling in. We can say sine of theta is going to be negative 20/29. Cosine is going to be positive 21/29. I'll come back to the tangent in just a second, but remember that cosecant and secant are reciprocal identities with sine and cosine. So cosecant is when you take the reciprocal of sine. So what we're going to do is invert it. We're going to go 29/20. And then secant is the reciprocal of cosine. So that's 29/21. Those aren't that bad to get. And next, we want to get tangent. Now, this is going to be a little bit more work, so I'm going to bring it down here. It's important to remember that tangent is sine over cosine. So now that I have a value for sine and a value for cosine, I'm just going to plug those in. So I get negative 20/29 was our value for sine, divided by 21/29, our value for cosine. And then it's a matter of simplifying this down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually multiply numerator and denominator both by 29/21. The idea is when I multiply 21/29 by its reciprocal down there, it makes a 1 and gets our denominator looking a lot nicer when we don't have a fraction down there. All right, so 29/21 in both numerator and denominator. Remember, we made a 1 between all of this and the denominator. And then we can do a little bit of simplifying down when we have negative 20/29 multiplied by 29/21, multiplying by 29 in the numerator and the denominator. That'll create a 1, leaving us with negative 20/21 for the tangent. All right, the last one, what we're going to do is remember the cotangent is the reciprocal of tangent. So if we invert this, take its reciprocal, numerator becomes denominator, denominator becomes numerator. That's going to be cotangent. Not that bad of a problem, but remember cosine is always the x value for your ordered pair, the terminal point on the unit circle, and sine is always the y value for that ordered pair. All right, good luck.